Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube video related to Coinhouse within the series of tutorials. This is Scramble from Emotions Crypto Trading, and today's topic is going to be how to buy cryptocurrency with a bank transfer. This is not credit card, we have a different video for that. This is purely for the bank transfer tutorial. So the first thing you have to do is make sure you have an account and you're logged in. So for those of you not having an account, if you'd like to take advantage of some benefits such as less fees and bonuses and all that stuff, promotions and so on, make sure to click the link in the description area and comments area and sign up from there. If you're a member of my team, you will be able to take advantage of special promotions along the way. So thank you for that. On the other side, once you sign up and do your KYC verification, please keep in mind that's very urgent after the sign up to verify your identity, because Coinhouse does not work with users that are not having their identity verified. Every single transaction that is completed needs to be done under a regulated scene, because this is the way we can keep away from terrorism of money laundering, and terrorism financing and all the issues all around the world that we have to keep ourselves safe at the end of the day. It's very simple. All those things are pretty much turning against us, and if we finance them, then it's an issue. So we need to pretty much work with a regulated and licensed company to avoid such scenarios. So once you do your KYC verification, which I have on my main account, this account you see right here in front of your screen is a account I created to show you tutorial videos on Coinhouse. So you're logged in, great. You say buy on the cryptocurrency you want to purchase on the blue button right here under my accounts. And then you have two payment methods. Depending on your limits, you'll have abilities to buy to a certain level. Your limits are set by the type of account you're having. There's 3 types of accounts you can have at Coinhouse, and I have a video talking about them, so make sure you check out. With the type of account I'm having right now here on this demo account, it is basically a limit up to 3,000 euros for my purchase. It is all going on euros on Coinhouse, so it is not dollars, not any other currency out there. This is specifically made for Europeans, and there is a lot of transactions going on from the European space. So Coinhouse is usually focused for the European members. Bank transfer, we put it over here. And then we have a couple of things to make sure about. Number 1 is we need to add a bank account. Providing your bank account information allows us to confirm your identity for your transfer. You'll have to make the SAPA transfer from your bank to Coinhouse each time you buy with crypto via bank transfer, and include the reference ID we will provide you. So here we go, guys. The bank account owner needs to be the same like it is when you completed your identity account right here on Coinhouse. So you cannot buy, for example, from your brother's bank account because his name is not the same like yours. The identity of the account you're purchasing needs to be the same of the identity of Coinhouse account. So bank account, Coinhouse, same identity. This thing cannot be changed here. Bank name, you provide this IBAN number, and then BIC, SWIFT, either any of those, depends what you have, depends in which country you're living, but one of those you need to have, which needs to be provided. And then before you're trying to do any other movements, however, you can confirm here, it's going to appear the green button, you can confirm and you're good to go. So you added the payment method within the account. The next step is going to be to select the payment method and put the amount of money you would like to deposit. Once you put the amount of money you would like to deposit, then it's going to be pretty simple, because they will give you a reference ID, which you need to put in your bank transfer SAPA note section. When you do the transaction from your mobile of SAPA transfer to the Coinhouse transfer details, they're going to give you all the details of the bank. You just have to copy paste it on your mobile banking account and complete a transaction, plus a reference ID for you, which is something you have to put into the note section of your bank transfer. Make sure it is a SAPA transfer, because otherwise it's not going to go through and your deposit is not going to be applied on, so you're going to get refunded, it's going to waste time, and it's not going to be good. SAPA transfer needs to be done, otherwise simply it's not going to work out. I've did this transaction a couple of times on my other account, on my May account, where basically I have been using Coinhouse for a while, so it has no issues at all. Usually as soon as the transfer is reaching the account of Coinhouse bank accounts, you will be able to see your cryptocurrencies added within that day. If SAPA takes 2 days, a day, or 3 days, this depends on the volume of the banks and so forth, the way they act. However, once it reaches Coinhouse bank account, your money is going to be credited in cryptocurrencies as fast as possible. Beautiful. So that's kind of pretty much all you have to know about. It needs to be SAPA. You will need to introduce the bank details of Coinhouse that are very clearly represented at the last stage of the transaction. Here, make your transfer. When you reach there, you'll see all the details of the bank, so you copy paste them, plus the reference ID. You put all these things, you send out a payment, and you're good to go. If you have issues after this, if you see it's 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, and it has not been confirmed, you don't see cryptos in your account, contact support. They will solve the problem. Make sure you keep the proof of your transfer to Coinhouse for security purposes. That's pretty much all about today's video, guys. And I hope I've been able to make you to understand how the process works. That's all, kind of, it's pretty much everything that I wanted to say. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day out there. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video, but also feel free to watch the other tutorial videos that I prepared for you regarding Coinhouse. So thank you once again and have a great day.